What's up, YouTube? Coming to you live. Mud Dog Customs. Still working on this Square Body Chevy. Got the new frame up under, painted frame up under it. Got the new cab supports. Have to get that done, got it welded in. Bolt it down to the frame, and then we're gonna put the floor pans in it. Had to put new inners in, had to put new cab, lower kick panel section in. Be a nice floor when he gets it done. Wasn't a bad looking truck from the outside, but had a lot of rust we didn't expect. Got the LS swap, got the 5.3 in it. Heater delete, I gotta add a little piece right there. That's where I was holding it up with the straps. Add that in, weld it all in nice and pretty. That whole section right there was rotted out. Had a donor cab so we can cut all the 3 sections out of it. Got a piece back in, it's 2 different pieces. Inside cowl piece. And then the outside piece had to blend it in. Yeah. Got that welded in. Just right here, it's coming along. I did almost in primer. Everything blocked out. Ready to paint. Had a lot of blocking on that thing to do. Pretty straight. Real straight. After a lot of blocking. Get this one done, we're gonna sand it and paint it black. Inner cab supports ain't bad. They about an aggravation scale of 5, because you gotta flip the cab up on his back or pick it up in the air. Get them cut out with new ones welded in. That right there, that's a different monster when you're having to mess with the cowl. Inside section right now. Put some seam sealer on it, get it sealed up. Get it all welded and ground down. Flush it out. Make it pretty. Make it pretty. Make it pretty. Y'all have a good one.